Hi guys, welcome to Long Beach from the Noordhoek side. This is one of the longest beaches that I've ever walked on. It's probably about 3-4 kilometers long. Okay, Google it, that's fine, but about 3 kilometers to the Kakapo Wreck, which today you're going to see from a distance. I'll show that to you. But also what's unique about this beach is that, look at the width of it. Yeah, it takes like from the low water mark to the dunes, that's about 100 meters, 75 to 100 meters walk. We're on our way to what the surfing community referred to as the dunes, which is also quite near Kakapo Wreck. Enjoy the flight. On the left, that's not a lake, that's just the high water mark. When the high tide comes in, it fills up from that side. There you are, it's coming up now. You see the Kakapo Wreck in the distance. I'm going to do a feature on that one of these days. You'll just keep watching this channel. But it's a beautiful place for a picnic. Go and have a look at Kakapo Wreck. That washed up. It's a 666-ton schooner, rigged steamship that wrecked herself along the peninsula's Long Beach coast back in 1900 on the 25th of May. Flying back towards Chapman's Peak now. Have a look at this. Isn't this special, hey? Instead of flying with me, one day why not just come down to Noordhoek and get a horse and do this trail yourself. I'll set up a link in the description.